last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7 with Chloe, obviously, but we are going to get oregano's right now, and I'm really excited about it because we're both really hungry and we're feeling really tired today for some reason. So hopefully this wakes us up. And then what's the rest of our day gonna look like?
That's a great question. We're gonna make a gingerbread house.
Oh, I forgot about that.
We're gonna make a gingerbread house movie.
Watch a Christmas movie.
And who knows what else?
You'll see.
That looks really good.
Looks so good. Right now that we're all nice and full, we are going to go to the grocery store and eat some more. I'm just kidding. We're gonna go to the grocery store and then we're gonna, I should not be doing this with the mitt in my mouth. We're going to get gas and then we're gonna do what we do every single day. What is it?
We're gonna go to Target, probably. Yeah. Most likely.
Yeah, and then we don't know, so Chloe got this massager at Target, right? I put the batteries in the wrong way.
Twice.
And they will not come out. We struggled and I got it out.
The first time.
I got it out the first time after a while, and then I put them in the wrong way again and now they won't come out. So we're gonna see how long it takes for us to get these out. Update. It works. I got them out. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, my knee really needed a massage. Does it feel good?
Yeah.
So Chloe just got a really exciting package in the mail. Some Bellamy hair extensions. These are them. She's about to put them in, so I thought I'd show you guys what they look like. I asked for these for Christmas in my color, so hopefully I get them. But yeah. Let's see.
Am I about to do this without looking right now?
Yeah. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Let me put this down.
It sounds like you're trying to crack my neck.
Yeah. I'm actually good at it. Just kidding. I cheated.
Wow, this is a lot of hair.
Put it to the front.
Oh my god.
Whoa, who is that?
Probably make it so that it doesn't go as low.
Yeah.
And then kind of like, well,
Yeah.
I'm getting a haircut anyway. So then I'll curl all this.
Right. Wow. That's crazy.
This is so much hair.
It is.
We go like this.
Oh my gosh. Not used to that, huh?
No, so weird.
Wow. Guys, comment down below if you think Chloe looks good. You better say yes.
I feel really weird.
Alright guys, look at this. Look at her powdering her face. Look how good this looks. She curled it and I think it looks so good. And it actually blended really good. Like, it looks really good. Like, you just look really good.
Like, literally, it looks so good.
Doesn't she though? And then I changed because I felt insecure. I was like, she's too hot now. I don't think we can be friends anymore. So Chloe made us some hot chocolate. I better not spill this. Ooh.
That's super sweet.
Now it's time to play some Taboo.
Alright.
Spying on people. Spying. You're talking. Can't talk. Zoo. Safari. Safari?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now we are going to be building our gingerbread house and decorating it, and at the same time we're watching the Santa Claus.
Mine. Mine.
So Santa's
Bell, 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 bell. Jingle bell, 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 bell.
So Chloe broke our gingerbread house.
I touched one piece very gently and then it all went downhill from there.
It's no longer with us. So now we're just eating the frosting and I don't know. Should we just eat it?
Maybe. Could decorate some pieces.
Yeah.
We could decorate like these. Like this would be cute to decorate.
Yeah, let's do that.
It's just sinking.
So this is how mine turned out. That's how hers is going.
It's sinking.
We
Every time I
decided
try
to just
touch it.
decorate some pieces. We're kind of giving up.
Yeah.
We decided to go out instead. We're gonna go get some food because we're hungry, and then we're gonna go watch some karaoke. So, do you smell a gummy in my mouth?
She's like, can I have some? What?
Leave in the comments down below who you think she looks like. I'm gonna play theme music in 3, 2, 1. So it's like impossible, and I'm like her sidekick. Oh,
Oh, that's terrible.
Ooh. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Once again, I got a peppermint in my mouth.
Me too this time.
They're really cold. It is currently, thank you. What time is it? It's like 9 something.
It's 9:52.
Oh, okay.
It's not even 10 o'clock.
We ate, there wasn't karaoke, we thought there was karaoke. That's what we did, but we're leaving now. We had to pee so bad, so we finally did.
It's hard to even get up from our seats.
It was, there were so many people there. But yeah.
Busy night.
Yep, that's my update. We're kind of matching. I can't really see, but
We're
we
both
have
wearing
tight,
those like
you explain.
athletic jackets.
Yeah, and leggings.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow, my eyes look really blue right there.
In case I don't get to end it. Oh my god, I'm really tired. In case I don't get to end it later, thank you for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to keep updated with all my vlogmases, and go follow me on Instagram, and go follow Chloe on Instagram, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Okay, bye.